Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Bright's financial literacy resources. If you're trying to better understand your finances, Bright offers a range of built-in educational tools that you can use right away. Open the Bright app and head to the main dashboard. There you're going to tap on the Learn or Resources tab at the bottom of the screen. Inside, you're going to find a variety of financial topics like budgeting, credit management, and savings, as well as investing. Tap on any topic to open bite-sized lessons or video tutorials. Most of these are beginner-friendly and include quizzes or checklists to help you apply what you've learned. You can also bookmark your favorite guides to revisit them later. You can also turn on notifications to get weekly learning tips based on your financial activity. Bright also offers interactive tools like simulators and financial calculators to help you make better decisions, especially if you're planning a major purchase or you're just trying to improve your credit. These resources are updated regularly, so check back often to stay sharp on your money game. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials. Catch you guys in the next one.